I'm Gemma Ackroyd. I am a retired school principal and I worked for the New South Wales Department of Education for about 37 years in a range of positions. I guess I always wanted to be a teacher. Education was important within my family. My mother had been a teacher in Queensland, and I saw how important education was to helping people. And I saw that particularly for girls to be able to have a career where they could be independent. Education provided so much opportunity for everybody. And I thought that was a great area to work in, to contribute to that, and also make it a secure career for myself. Quite honestly, I was a bit disappointed when I first went into teaching. I found it really narrow and controlling, and having all these people, particularly male principals and male deputy principals, telling me what I could do, what I could wear, the clothes I could wear, and being really quite restricted in what I could do with the students. So I thought, I might have done the wrong thing here, and I resigned. And I spent several years, many years actually, working in other areas until I realised that teaching is such a terrific job, intellectually challenging and really contributing to society. So when I went back into teaching, which I did it because I really wanted to do it and I knew how important it was in our society. I started working with students who are refugees, people coming out of Southeast Asia after the Vietnam War. Australia took in lots and lots of refugees. I worked with the adults, teaching them English. And then I moved on to teaching children, many of whom had had no education at all. I was so fortunate to be able to keep in contact with many of those families over the years and watch them grow and develop and contribute to Australian society. I thought, I've helped a tiny bit to help them settle into it and make new lives for themselves. The older teachers said to the young teachers coming in, there are 3 things you need to do. You need to join the Teachers Federation, Teachers Health and the Teachers Credit Union. And they gave the reasons why it was so helpful to do that. Many of us of my age group did exactly that. And we've benefited from our membership of those 3 organisations for many, many decades, actually. I think probably the advice I would give to myself as a younger person would be stay focused on what your job is. That is to teach and support students and ensure that they are learning, keeping focused on why you're there, and that is to help students learn and to keep them well and happy and supported.